Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe.
Victoria Falls, known locally as Mosi Oa-Tunya or the Smoke That Thunders, is one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world. Located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, this colossal waterfall stretches over a mile wide and plunges 354 feet into the Zambezi River below. The sheer power and grandeur of Victoria Falls make it a must-see destination for travelers seeking an awe-inspiring natural wonder. Visitors to Victoria Falls can experience its beauty from various viewpoints on both the Zambian and Zimbabwean sides. The mist from the falls can be seen from miles away, and the thundering sound of the water crashing into the gorge below is truly mesmerizing. For a thrilling adventure, take a dip in the Devil's Pool, a natural infinity pool perched on the edge of the falls, where you can peer over the precipice into the roaring abyss below. Beyond the falls themselves, the surrounding area offers a wealth of activities for nature lovers. Take a sunset cruise on the Zambezi River to spot hippos, crocodiles, and elephants, or embark on a safari in the nearby national parks. Victoria Falls is not just a destination. It's a powerful encounter with the raw beauty of nature.